Hey guys! We need to add multiple images on our sites, and a grid system will be the best option to show multiple images at a time in a section of a page. You can add as many images as you want, customize its structure, add a filter, and set columns, and lay out the Happy Addons Image Grid widget. Let's see how you can use the Image Grid widget on your Elementor site. But before you use the widget, install and activate the plugins here, the free version of the Elementor plugin and the free version of the Happy Addons plugin. Now let's get started. Firstly, open the Elementor editing panel. Add the widget and you'll get a default view of the widget. Then add a title for the group and add images to the grid. Again, add a new group of pictures on this grid following the same process. Click on Settings and adjust the column and layouts. Enable the filter if you want your users to find your images easily. Click on Style and adjust the image margin, border radius, hover animation, filters alignment. Once you're done, click on the Save button and preview it. That's all. You can reduce your extra work and hassle by using our LiveCopy paste feature. You can copy the pre-made designs and just paste them on your Elementor site as it is. See how you can do it. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get more tutorials like this one and updates about Happy Elementor add-ons.